Hey, it's Robert Kraft, aka HVAC Slayer. I'm over here in Anaheim, California at the Viper facility. We're gonna get ready to go check it out and take a tour. What's up, Mike? How you doing?
How's it going?
Good, good. Well, I hear you have a top secret lab that you make all this stuff, and test things.
That's gonna be our next stop.
Let's go check it out.
Follow me. One of the things we're very proud of is that we're still manufacturing our own chemicals here. This lab gives us a lot of control of finished product. It allows us to test the latest and greatest of chemicals that are available. Try to drop them into our formulas to see if we can make things better for the contractor. You know, it's very possible that the Viper product you bought a year ago is maybe a little bit different today and a little bit more powerful. So we're constantly reinventing and updating the product.
That's really cool that you don't just say, hey, this stuff works, it's proven, you know, leave it alone. It's like, you know, to always improve your product and bring innovation into your company. I mean, it says a lot. It's
yeah,
fun.
in fact, I wanted to see what's in the oven.
Yeah, let's see what you got in there.
So yeah, you can see some things in here, and this is John's domain. You can see that there's beakers with some products and a bunch of different metals. So we're looking at corrosion testing right now.
And your dad was talking about this. Yeah. He was doing some kind of a heat test.
Yeah, so we want to make sure that with the new EZDose, we're not going to get any evaporation.
Yep.
Some attics get pretty hot.
Yeah.
So we have it at 150 degrees in here, making sure we're not evaporating fluid.
Yeah.
And this is really cool. If you want to see here, you can see kind of a round one of corrosion samples. Look at the copper in this one.
Yeah.
See how it's kind of separating and getting cloudy.
Yep.
And then some revisions up here where it's crystal clear.
Needed some more work, and then boom, the revision is nice and clear.
Well, that's how it's tested. Want to go see how it's made?
Yeah, let's go. Let's see what your crew's up to.
So I hear some noise out here, which means they're filling some product.
Oh, nice.
So this is one of our filling lines. This is where we do our gallons. We're doing some heavy duty right now. Very simple process. Bottles get date coded, go to the labeler. They get filled, they get a cap, they get tightened, they come off the rack into a box, through a taper onto a pallet, and to the wholesaler nearest you.
Right.
We'll come over here, we'll see what else we got. So you can see some of your favorites as we walk through.
Yep.
Wet rag, we have Factor Heavy Duty, we have some venom packs.
Be kind of cool.
So that was a tour of one of our three buildings that we have. But we'll check on a couple others and see what we got going over there.
Let's go see what we got.
Yeah. So we've been growing so fast that we've had to purchase a few additional buildings here. So we started outfitting this one just for storage right now. But we're going to start moving some production over here. So
It's big.
we'll cruise through this maze.
How many square feet is this?
This is about 16,000.
Wow.
We actually do a lot of international sales, and internationals love to have drums of Big Blue just because it's so much more cost effective to order it in bulk.
That's great stuff.
Well, good. Well, you want to go to
Yeah,
another one of the buildings?
Let's go check out another
Go
building.
to another one.
Yeah.
Not gonna look like much, but it's probably my favorite building of the couple that we just purchased.
You're gonna want to buy this stuff. That's what's
Yeah.
important.
So this is my favorite because this is the one we're getting staged for our new offices. And I don't know if you can see it or if it makes sense to you, but we had this professionally designed with an architectural group who specializes in manufacturing. And then myself and my wife spent 2 weeks with those plans, and we taped every office out, every pallet rack, every space, and lived in it and walked in it to make sure that this was going to be enough for us.
That's awesome.
So it's in that space, and you can make sure, is there enough room for a table? How many chairs can I actually have in here? And
A lot of people don't think about that, you know?
they don't. Look at, you know, a big blueprint and understand, you know, is this going to be good enough or not? So we went the extra step, and we mapped out another 15,000 square feet with blue tape. Took a while, but it's well worth it.
Couple rolls.
There's a lot that goes into expanding the business. So
Yeah, for sure.
but very exciting.
Making it look like your own and where it's functional.
Want to make sure your office is big enough. You have all your amenities. And, So yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Hey, well, thanks so much.
Yeah, I appreciate
Pleasure.
what an amazing experience.
Thank you.
Amazing facility you have here. And with that said, I got to go catch a plane, and I got more inventions to work on, and I got EZDoses to go sell.
Okay, just make sure I'm your first call for the next ones.
Absolutely.
All right.